and all those who have been working tirelessly to take the mission ahead. We would now like to recognize the government as well as before the felicitation function, we also would like to recognize some of our off-stage dignitaries present here. Can we have Dr. Jyoti Sawant to kindly present the fruit basket to Dr. Meenal Joshi, Deputy Director Ayush. Requesting Dr. Jyoti Sawant to also felicitate Dr. Pranav Bhatt, Joint Secretary Health. May I now request Dr. Rashmina Amonkar to present the fruit basket to the Dean, All India Institute of Ayurveda, Dr. Sujata Kadam. May I also request Dr. Rashmina Amonkar to present the fruit basket to Dr. Shivrama Varambari, Professor, Department of Psychiatry at NIMHANS, Bengaluru. We will now move on to the felicitation function. We would like to recognize the government as well as private doctors, practitioners, hospitals, and the force behind leading this mission to success. To begin with, the government doctors, as I call out the name, requesting you to kindly come forward as fast as possible. To begin with, Dr. Anjali Desai, representative of the PHC Dharwandoda, for the tenure from 5th May 2026 to 5th June 2026, she has been able to handle 245 cases during this Health with Ayurveda campaign that has gaining momentum in the entire state of Goa. STH Chikalin, he has been able to handle 177 cases. We move on to the next, Dr. Mrunal Chari of AM Pisurle. campaign which is gaining overwhelming response across the state. May I now call upon our chief guest, Chief Minister Dr. Pramodji Sawant, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sanyog ISM Yoga Summit 2026 या खाशेल्या कार्यक्रमाक आमच्या मदीं आसात जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ तृप्ती मणेरकर, डायरेक्टर ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द आयुष डॉक्टर पूजा मडकईकर, डॉक्टर स्नेहा भागवत, प्रेसिडेंट फॉर द गोवा आयुर्वेदिक काउंसिल डॉक्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रभुदेसाई, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट प्रोफेसर किम मोहम्मद मजीर अलम, member of the board and ethics of the registration of the NCIM, Joy Pereira, रजिस्ट्रार आणि समोर आशिल्ले म्हणजे सगळे डॉक्टर्स भाव आनी भयणांनो, सगळे पळयत जाल्यार सगळ्यात पयली म्हाका दिसता आयुष डिपार्टमेंट फॉर्म जाल्या उपरांत आमी पयलेच फावटी मेळटा, म्हणजे आतां ताळयो मारपाक हांव जस्ट समोर बसला आसतना पळयतालो म्हणजे सिन्स फ्रॉम द 2001 तो बोर्ड फॉर्म जावपा खातीर एखाद्या वेळी हांव झगडटालो बोर्ड फॉर्म करपाक. ओके, तेन्नाच्यान टील नाव फॉर द आयुष डिपार्टमेंट हे फॉर्म करप म्हणजे 26 years म्हणजे स्ट्रगल ऑफ आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर, म्हणजे आपल्या रायट्सा खातीर पासून ते आपल्या डिपार्टमेंट फॉर्म करी पर्यंत म्हणजे ह्या पूर्ण स्ट्रगलांत हांव सदोदीत तुमच्या बरोबर आसा आनी हाज्याय फुडें तुमच्या बरोबर आसतलो हें सांगता आसतना म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता. Anyhow, I'll not take much time. Ayurveda practitioner, yoga experts, the member of the Ayurveda Council of the Ayurveda and other allied system of medicines, my brothers and sisters, very good afternoon to all of you. It gives me the immense pleasure to be present here for the Sanyog ISM Yoga Summit 2026, a meaningful initiative that brings together Ayurveda, yoga, mental wellness, ethics, and a holistic healthcare under one platform. I also congratulate the organizers for conceptualizing this summit with the important session on meditations, neuropsychiatric healthcare, mental ethics, and laughter yoga. This theme is extremely relevant in the today's stressful and fast-paced world. The Goa Ayurveda and allied Indian system of medicines have emerged as a progressive and proactive institutions in the state. Today, the council represents more than 900 Ayurvedic plus 4 naturopathy, yoga and 2 Siddha doctors. Over the last 5 years, the council has undertaken the landmark initiatives: protect the right and privileges of doctor, strengthen the ethical medical practice, create the opportunity for the Goan Ayurvedic professionals, and crack down on the illegal and unauthorized activity being carried out in the name of Ayurveda. I appreciate the Council for successfully digitalizing registrations, renewal and related services through the online portal. This ensures the transparency, ease of access and the convenience for the practitioners who no longer need to physically visit the office for the routine procedures. Under the leadership of Dr. Sneha Bhagwat and his entire team, the Council has consistently worked towards strengthening the Ayush ecosystem in the state of Goa. The recent organized of the Indian International Ayurveda Expo Wellness Summit is another landmark achievement. It attracts nationwide attention and creates the opportunity for the Goa-based Ayurvedic doctors to connect with the experts, institutions and wellness industry across India and abroad. The expo witnessed the yoga championships, healthy recipe demonstrations, the wellness showcase and the public awareness initiatives promoting the healthy lifestyle. I am informed that there is an expo recorded the remarkable footfall over the 60,000 of the visitors, which reflects growing the public interest in the Ayurveda and holistic wellness. Another significant milestone was the launch of Goa Ayush and Yoga Wellness Policy 2026. The policy will regulate the wellness center, they encourage the responsible wellness tourism, attracts the investment, creates the employment opportunity and the position of the Goa as a leading global wellness destination. I'm happy to note that And after the expo and the policy initiatives, Goa has already started witnessing the major investment and in the wellness sector. The councils participates in the international wellness fairs in the Dubai, Kazakhstan and China, and also enabled the Goan Ayurvedic doctors to showcase their expertise globally. This is a matter of pride for the Goa. Friends, under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Ayurveda and Yoga have received the unprecedented global recognitions. The key initiatives of the Government of India includes the establishment and strengthening of the Ministry of Ayush, the global acceptance of the International Yoga Day, expansion of the Ayush Research Institution, digitalization and standardization of Ayurveda practice, promotion of the evidence-based Ayurveda, Ayush visa initiatives, and integrated of the traditional healthcare into the preventive healthcare system. Today, the yoga practice in the more than 190 countries and the Ayurveda is increasingly being recognized as a sustainable and preventive healthcare model. The Government of Goa is fully aligned with the vision through the Department of the Ayush and various institutions, and we are continuously working towards the integration of the holistic healthcare into the public wellness system. I would like to specially appreciate Health with Ayurveda campaign, and which has become the major public health initiatives in the state. I think the more than 40,000 unique patients ID have already been created under this campaign, reflecting the strong public participation and trust. The Goa Ayurvedic Council and the Gamma Goa Ayurvedic Medical Association has played an important role in monitoring and facilitating the campaign for both the private and the government doctors. These initiatives will help us to create the Ayush medical data repositories for Goa. The evidence-based data will enable the government to understand the healthcare trend, improve the preventive healthcare and planning, strengthening the community wellness program to ensure the better patient outcome across the state. This is an important step towards the data-driven healthcare governance. Today, the mental health has become one of the biggest challenges globally. Stress, anxiety, depression, loneliness, and declining happiness index are affecting every section of the society. In this regards, I believe the Goa can become the model state by integrating yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, and mental wellness practices into the community healthcare. I urge the Council to collaborate with the institutions like NIMANS and other medical associations to design and structure the mental wellness program for the people of Goa. Breathwork, meditation, lifestyle corrections, and holistic therapies can play a transformative role in improving the emotional and psychological well-being. Ayush practitioners can also play a significant role in palliative care, elderly care, preventive health care, lifestyle disorder, rehabilitations, and community wellness initiatives. This compassionate and holistic approach of Ayurveda can greatly benefit the patients and family during the long-term care and recovery. The Government of Goa remains committed to supporting such integrative healthcare approaches. On these important occasions, I would like to announce that, and after the successful completion of the Health with Ayurveda campaign, the government will move towards the integration and extending benefits under the Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva framework in coordination with the Department of the Ayush and the stakeholders. Further, the Department of the Ayush and the Goa Ayurveda Council will work closely to expand the awareness of the Ayush system among the masses, the strengthening of the wellness-based healthcare to ensure the long-term public health benefits for the people of Goa. I also ensure that Council, the government support towards providing the suitable office premises for the efficient operations and to secure for the data management. Facilitations of the single window mechanism for the clinical establishment registrations, strengthening the policy support for the ethical and quality wellness practices in the state. As we approached the International Yoga Day, I urge every citizen to participate wholeheartedly. Yoga should not remain the one-day celebration, it must become the daily way of life. I appeal to all the doctors, institutions, schools, youth, organizations and wellness centers to encourage the maximum participation and register so that the more people can benefit physically, mentally and spiritually. Before I conclude, I once again congratulate for the Goa Ayurveda Council, Department of the Ayush and the stakeholders for organizing this meaningful summit. Your dedications towards promoting the Ayurveda, yoga, ethics, wellness and preventive healthcare will contribute immensely to building the healthier and happier Goa. Let us work together towards the future where the modern healthcare and traditional wisdom of complements each other for the welfare of the community. परत एकदा वता आसतना तुका फक्त इतकेच मुद्दामून मेन्शन करता कारण हांव बरेचशे फावटी सांगता अच्छे दिन कोणाक आयले हे बरेच जण खबर ना म्हणटा अच्छे दिन आयुर्वेदाक आयले सामकें बरोबर 110%. It is not only in India but global लेवलाचेर आयल्या बट ते अच्छे दीस मेंटेन दवरपा खातीर ही जबाबदारी आमची आसा सगळ्यांची आनी ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता हांव जस्ट म्हणजे वता वता आसतना सांगता म्हणजे चॅक बाय दोतोर 1.0 हो जेन्ना हांवें कार्यक्रम घेतलो आनी जस्ट द अपील म्हणजे सोशल एका अपीलाचेर more than 50,000 वुमन्स 40,000 म्हणजे 40 वर्सां वयली वचून जर आपलो हेल्थ चॅकअप करता 40,000च्या पेक्षा चड आनी सेम डे म्हणजे म्हाज्या बर्थडे दिसा कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केलो पण हांवें पळयलें ते इतके सगळे ऑर्गनायजेशन ताका लागून इतको एक्सपेन्सीस बाकीचे सगळे सो दॅट वाय नॉट म्हणटे चॅक बाय दोतोर 2.0 ही संकल्पना म्हणजे तकलेंत म्हणजे आमी मिटींग घेतल्या तेन्ना बसला तेन्ना आयल्या म्हणजे डॉक्टर सुजाता कदमूय आसा तेन्ना हांवें सहज म्हणून सुरवात केली की वाय नॉट वी कॅन टेक द चॅक बाय दोतोर 2.0 बट ताका सुद्दां म्हणजे आमी पळयता की हेल्थ विथ आयुर्वेदा चॅक बाय दोतोर 2.0 खूब बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळपाक लागला बट तो आनीक जर चड वतलो म्हणजे हांवें कित्याक म्हटलें अच्छे दिन आमच्या खातीर खूब बरें आसा इतक्याच खातीर आमी जर तो आनीक कोण प्रमोट करूं अथवा न करूं बट फॉर आमच्या खातीर एज अ प्रॅक्टिशनर म्हणून आनी लोकां खातीर फॉर द प्रिवेंटीव हेल्थ चॅकअप म्हणा किंवा प्रिवेंटीव हेल्थ केअर म्हणा आमी जितके चड प्रमोट करतले तितके चड लोक म्हणजे हेल्थ विथ आयुर्वेदा कडेन येतले त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता आमी चडांत चड जाण म्हणजे अजुनूय जर कोण रजिस्टर जावपाचे उरले आसत जाल्यार टील 5th ऑफ जुलय आमच्या कडेन आसा म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंट अजुनूय एक फुडें विचार करूं येता पूण आनी एका म्हयन्या खातीर इतक्याच खातीर कारण हांवें इतक्याच खातीर म्हणटा म्हणजे म्हाका गव्हर्मेंट दोतोर आमचे म्हणटाले दोतोर पुरो कर आतां म्हणटाले म्हणजे थंय पळोवपाक लागले गव्हर्मेंट दोतोर म्हणटाले पुरो कर आतां पेशंट चड येवपाक लागल्या पण एक बरें कित्याक आसा सांगता हांव म्हणजे आमी जेका म्हणटा की ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर फीट इंडिया मुवमेंट चलयता आमकां फीट गोवा जर करपाक जाय हेल्थियर गोवा जर करपाक जाय स्ट्रॉंग गोवा जर करपाक जाय हॅपियर गोवा जर करपाक जाय आसत जाल्यार हें चड इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आनी विशेश करून म्हणजे आतां मेळ्ळे जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ बच्चुकी मणेरकर उलयताले की आमची इंटिग्रेशन आतां पर्यंत आमी अय्या टाटा एंड फॉर द आमी फक्त कॅन्सर ह्याच्या खातीर केलां पण इन लॉंग रन वी कॅन डू वीथ वेरियस थिंग्स म्हणजे आमी खूब ह्याच्या खातीर करपाक शकता सो दॅट इन वेरियस म्हणजे आमी स्पेशली वीथ म्हणजे न्युरो रिहॅबान करूं येता आनी निमान्साचो जर आमी सपोर्ट घेतलो आसत जाल्यार वी कॅन डू मच बेटर म्हणून हांवें म्हटलां की आमकां हो रिकॉर्ड जे आसा पळय हे रिकॉर्ड इट वील हेल्प फॉर द फ्युचर आनी अशा पद्दतीची सिस्टम ही बाकीच्या खंयच्याच स्टेटींत ना आनी कोणी अजून डेवलप करूंक ना ताजो चडांत चड फायदो हो प्रायवेट प्रॅक्टिशनरांनी घेवचो इन जॉयंट कोलॅबोरेशन्स वीथ द गव्हर्मेंट हे जर जालें आसत जाल्यार आमी एक रिकॉर्ड गोंयांत क्रिएट करपाक शकता आनी हेल्थियर गोवा जावपाक हॅपिनेस इंडेक्स वाडपाक आयुर्वेदीक दोतोराचो खूब व्हडलो फायदो आसतलो हें हांव नक्कीच सांगूं शकता म्हणजे एक ह्या पोजिशनाचेर आसतना आनी त्याय पोजिशनाचेर आसतना हेल्थियर गोवा करपा खातीर सगळ्या जाणांनी सपोर्ट करचो इतकेंच सांगताना म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता देव बरें
Thank you so much, sir. We have two eminent speakers who have conducted wonderful